How many times have you felt overwhelmed by stress at work? Let's face it, in today's fast-paced world, work-related stress is almost a given. It's a silent epidemic, wreaking havoc on our physical and mental health, sapping our creativity and productivity. Stress can manifest in many ways, from sleepless nights to feelings of anxiety and even physical ailments like headaches and high blood pressure. But there's a silver lining to this cloud. Work-related stress is not only common but also manageable, and one powerful tool at our disposal is mindfulness. Mindfulness is not just a buzzword, it's a practice, a way of being present, of centering ourselves amid the chaos. It's about cultivating awareness of our thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations, and through this awareness we gain control over our reactions to the stresses that surround us. If you're feeling stressed, know that you're not alone, but there's a way to manage it, through mindfulness. So, what exactly is mindfulness, and how can it help you at work? Mindfulness, at its core, is about being fully present and engaged in the moment. It's about not just doing, but truly being. In the context of work, mindfulness means giving your undivided attention to tasks at hand, fully engaged in meetings, and truly listening to colleagues. But what does this mean for you? Well, mindfulness can help improve focus, productivity, and overall well-being at work. It can provide clarity, enabling you to better prioritize tasks. It can also help you stay calm and composed, even in the midst of a chaotic workday. Moreover, mindfulness can enhance your relationships at work. By truly listening and engaging, you can build stronger, more meaningful connections with your colleagues. Mindfulness is not just a buzzword, it's a practical approach to better handle work stress and improve overall work performance. It's an investment in your professional journey and personal well-being. Now, you might be wondering how to practice mindfulness at work? Well, let's dive into it. The first step is mindful breathing. When stress hits, take a moment to close your eyes and focus on your breath. Feel the air filling your lungs and slowly leaving your body. This simple act can help you regain your calm and clarity. Next, try a body scan. Start at the top of your head and mentally work your way down, paying attention to any tension or discomfort along the way. This technique helps you reconnect with your physical presence and eases you away from the whirlwind of thoughts. Finally, practice mindful observation. Choose an object in your office, perhaps a plant or a photo, and really look at it. Notice its colors, texture, and the light it reflects. This exercise draws your attention to the present moment, steering you away from stressors. Remember, mindfulness is a skill, and like any other skill, it takes practice and patience to master. So, to recap, we've delved into the concept of mindfulness at work and how it can help alleviate stress, boost productivity, and enhance overall job satisfaction. We've learned that mindfulness is all about being present in the moment, fully engaged with whatever we're doing without being overwhelmed by it. We explored various techniques to cultivate mindfulness, such as the practice of mindful breathing, maintaining a gratitude journal, or simply taking a short walk to clear your mind. Remember, these strategies are not one-size-fits-all, and it's crucial to find what works best for you. The benefits of incorporating mindfulness into your daily work routine are manifold. It helps you stay centered and calm, even amidst the hustle and bustle of a busy workday. It fosters a positive work environment, promotes better decision-making, and enhances your relationships with colleagues. Give mindfulness a try and see the difference it can make in your workday. Remember, a calm mind is a productive mind. Good luck!